So off we go for match 3 in game week 6. Raphei kicking from left to right. Tom Ray. That touch from Rung Singh. Choi Chan. Bad touch from the skipper. Warren. Good take from Warren. And Warren gives Raphei the lead here. 30 minutes into the game. And Warren has had a number of chances from outside the box. The first chance inside the box, and he sweeps home for Raphei. Shunring took it with his right. Off the crossbar. And Musami was wheeling away in celebration, but the assistant on this near side had his flag raised. So the Pomey, bit of a punt ball forward. Hang on to Chirichan, and the referee brings it in to this contest where it has been a little passive from both sides, but Raphei will be hugely satisfied with the win here.
Also we first match oriental club versus Raphei FC ng Real Deka. Raphei na wang ko ina mai cha sang thangai ra. Team khani na mathala kai ng Real mi khai chui wang yari na team khani wi wang pang la kai na aksya pang pe mi se.